If you've ever wanted to create a custom calendar that reflects your personality, interests, or favorite aesthetics, you're in the right place. Whether you prefer a cozy winter cabin for January, a beach scene for July, or a spooky forest for October, Midjourney makes it easy to generate stunning images for each month. And the best part? You can turn these digital creations into printable calendars for personal use or as thoughtful gifts. As always, check the pinned comment for extra resources and tips. Let's get started. The first step in designing your custom calendar is deciding on a theme. You can base it on your hobbies, favorite places, or different seasonal moods. A cohesive theme makes your calendar visually appealing and meaningful. So let's start by creating an image for January with a cozy winter aesthetic, just like this one. Here's my prompt. There we go. Let's go for peaceful wooden log cabin deep in the snow-covered forest. Which is kind of funny. It's kind of matching with this one. So with ours, has warm glowing lights from the window, chimney smoke drifting into the sky, pine trees covered in frost, intricate snowfall details, soft golden hour lighting, and yep, this is the details right here just to make the rendered images looking better. Okay, you can adjust the aspect ratio. Let's go with this one, 6:5. You could put it like raw or standard. Okay, you know what? Maybe we could try standard right here. Alrighty. Boom. Okay, so now that the prompt is sent, Midjourney will generate a detailed and atmospheric image. Okay, just wait for a while for the process to complete. It wouldn't take long, as usual. Okay, just wait for a bit. Just be patient until these would pop up. Okay, there we go. All right, this looks fantastic. Let's take a look at each of the rendered images right there. Okay, so as we'll see, the snowy details, the soft lighting, and glowing windows, as you can see here. Another one right here. Yep, this one much more glowing. Really create a warm and inviting January vibe. See the golden hour. Another one right here. And another one right here. You know what? I kind of like this even more. So, yep, right here it really matches the January vibe, just like I said. And also, if you want to tweak it, you can just adjust the prompt with how you sent and add more details here and there, or upload like a reference, an image reference for more control. Or if you want, you could just rerun it if you're not satisfied with the current rendered images. Or you could just pick one. You could very strong or very subtle right here. And it's optional. Just feel free to explore more of your preferential creative freedom right there, just to match with what you want to expect. So here it is. There we go. This would be the simple one. And I think this one is the strong version of this. All right, let's move on to the next segment. Each month has a unique feel, and you can reflect that in your calendar right here. Think of spring flowers for April, kind of like this one, a sunny beach for July, or colorful leaves for October. Well, Midjourney right here makes it easy to capture these seasonal moods. So let's create a vibrant summer beach scene for July. Okay, here's my prompt. Okay, just like I said, We go a breathtaking tropical beach at sunset, golden sand, turquoise ocean waves, tall palm trees, sun setting on the horizon, casting like a radiant glow, vibrant colors, sky bending pink, orange, and purple hues. And yep, the rest that could make the rendered images more detailed. Okay, so let's send this off right about now. All right. Midjourney is now generating our tropical scene. So by using the ultra detailed setting with our prompt right here, we'll get crisp textures on the water and sky. So let's see the outcome right here. Okay, just wait for a bit. If this might take a bit long, but it won't take a bit long. All right, so here's the final results right here. All right. Okay, this is quite exactly what I was hoping for. So right here, the golden sunlight and the ocean waves really create the perfect July aesthetic right here. Okay, as you'll see, the golden sand, purple, pink, orange hues, just like it matches with the prompt, palm trees. Same one right here, another one right here. You know, it kind of felt realistic, I must say. I'm really impressed by this. And yep, these really worked out very well. All right, so just to note, if you find this video helpful so far, don't forget to subscribe our channel, subscribe, and hit the like button for this video, just so it really helps our channel grow. Thanks, guys! If you want a more unique look, try experimenting with different artistic styles like watercolor, cyberpunk, or vintage oil painting. Well, those kinds of styles would add a creative touch and makes your calendar stand out. Okay, so for instance, let's create a hand-painted autumn forest for October. So here's my prompt, and I want it to be mystical and enchanted. It has the color scheme of rich orange and red hues. It has to be in a warm afternoon sunlight. Okay, and that oil painting style is to match like 1800s romanticism masterpiece. And yep, here are the rest, you know, just to make the rendered images later on really well textured and all. Okay. And also I could adjust this one. For example, I would do like 4x5 right here. Oh, you don't forget you can just type in any number. See? There we go. See? Just notice that it's grayed out. Yep. Once it's settled in, send this off. Here we go. So this time I adjusted the aspect ratio, as you'll see, to 4x5, which is great just to match with this traditional painting feel. Okay, so let's see how the rendered images that will be popping up in a bit would do well for the artistic calendar that, for instance, I will be making. All right, just wait for a bit, and yep, there it is. Really turned out beautifully than I expected. It kind of matches well with the prompt here. So as you'll see, the soft brush strokes and the rich autumn colors. As you'll see right here, another one, and another one right here, the same texture. Each of the rendered image really make it feel like a real painting. So you'll notice the texture of all the images. See? And you know, this would be a perfect October calendar page, I must say. See? And yep, And that's how you create a personalized calendar with Midjourney. From cozy winter cabins to hand-painted autumn forests like this one, the possibilities are endless. Thank you everybody for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.